Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from your friends list in Dota 2. To remove someone from your friends list in Dota 2, you first need to open Dota 2 via the Steam client and then navigate to the friends list, which is on the left side of your screen, and click on the portrait of the person you want to remove from your friends list, like so. And then here's the button for remove friend. Click on it once. Remove friend. Would you like to remove this user from your friends list? Click on confirm. And now this person has been removed from our friends list. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!